Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert a page or app header into your app projects on Retool. So let us guide you through this. So guys, let me navigate to that example untitled app project here with page number 1 for demonstration purposes. And as you can see, I added an example header to this page. So let me show you how I did it and how you can do it. So let me start with a new page. And here under page 2, click into it, right click into your editing space, click into add components, and here at the top you will see the header, and that is going to enable the header with the properties here to the right so that you may customize these. For example, add a label, for example, add an interaction, and so on and so forth. Resize it here, for instance. Let me make it slightly larger. You may insert a logo, a menu, and so on and so forth. By right-clicking into it, you may rename it, delete the header, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how you insert a header to your pages or apps in Retool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.